So, my lovely people, this is Okra. I believe everybody watching me knows what okra is. Okra is a vegetable. Okra have a lot of health benefits that one derive when you eat or consume okra. I am not a food specialist. I am not a medical practitioner. What I'm teaching you or showing you is based on the research that I have conducted about this. If you like this kind of content or what we do in this platform, kindly follow, share, recommend, contribute, and also drop your prayer request, and God is going to bless you and grant you your heart desire. So, my lovely people, I know how would it take to do our okra water for people wey wan carry belle. If you know say you know the ovula and you wan carry belle, this video now for you. So I want to show on how you go take do okra water. And this reminds me, there was a time Tiwa Savage, popular Nigerian musician, was spotted drinking okra water, and people were like surprised. Oh, why is she drinking okra water? So why is she drinking okra water? Does she want to carry belle? I just laughed at the ignorance of people. When you don't know anything, go and make research. Ask questions. Especially asking questions is very, very good. It's going to help you learn more. Or you try to conduct a research. Like most of you, if you don't know the health benefits of this okra, you can say, oh, let me go and study what this woman is talking about, if it is true, instead of laughing, making jest of yourself, thinking that you are laughing the person. People saw, even some news carried it. Oh, Tiwa Savage is drinking okra water. Okra water, if you don't know, let me tell you now, if you want to achieve a melodious voice, if you want your voice to be clear, angelic voice, make sure you take okra. Okra, I cannot come here and start listing the benefits of okra, but this is why I come here be say okra water go fit make you ovula, make you carry belle. So I prepared okra soup on Saturday. I reserved this one, even this one why I keep, so they make me the para because I need them. I'm still going to eat it. So I said I'm going to use it. Since I am able to lay my hand on okra, I'm going to show you guys how to make the water so that you go to take them. A lot of testimonies have been recorded about this. So this is my okra. What I did is that I washed it very well. Of course, okra is in the species of vegetable, so you wash it very well. I wash it with apple cider vinegar, salt. If you see we are washing vegetable, this is vegetable, this is chicken. If you see we are washing it, you wouldn't like to stay with me. You will feel like, does this thing fall inside poo poo? Because me, anything dirty irritates me. I like neatness. So I wash it very well. After washing it, I slice it and I pour it inside a bowl like this and put water. I allow the water to stay for, I think, a day. I did this yesterday. I cooked my okra soup on Saturday, so I left these ones. So after yesterday, this is how it looks like. I don't know if people can see it. Do you see it? Do you see how it's drawing? So this is the okra water. So now, after sieving it, what are you supposed to do? You pour it inside your glass cup. Can you see that? Wow. This thing have a lot of health benefits. It have a lot of health benefits. Majority people do not eat it because, look at the color. This is exactly how it looks like. So I'm going to show you guys how I slice it. See how I slice it? Can you see it? I slice it like this and I put it inside this thing to allow the nutrients to come out. So after a day, that is, I did this yesterday, and today this is the result. Do you see me drinking it? So you, after your menses, you start taking the okra water. Take it until 2 days to your OV. You cannot go for a break. If you still want to continue, you can continue, because you know they do anything. Now vegetable because person will still get belle, they eat okra soup. In fact, there are some people immediately they become pregnant, what they will be craving for is okra or bono, But if you are taking our papa clove, I beg you in the name of anything where you believe. Me, I believe in the Almighty God, the creator of the universe. I am that I am, the Lion of the tribe of Judah, unshaken and unshakable God. If you dey take baba clove, 2 days to your OV, make you go holiday. No take am again for that month until you see the result. But this, even if you carry belle, you can still be taking okra water, because e no fit do you anything. The only thing wey e go do you be say e go dey make you dey reduce weight. Maybe you fit not drink am when you carry belle. Some people fit ask me whether my oga fit take am. Of course, according to research wey I conduct, they say e dey help dey manage cholesterol, so your oga fit take am. There is a lot of health benefit in part in this food that we neglect. These vegetables that we neglect, they are very, very good. If you have not been including fruit, vegetable, proteins to your meal, my sister, please try to do that. So this is it. If you want carry belle, I believe you need this. If you don't try our papa clove, work for you, then dive over to this one. I promise you, you will never regret. And I want to record a lot of testimony this month. Wow. Yes, I want that.